Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn Cerculism technique. What is Cerculism? When we shade with circular motion, we say Cerculism. We use these techniques to create skin texture or any woolen kind of materials. Same shading method, let's try on any woolen kind of objects. Here I have chosen teddy bear. I will take 3 values, 2H for lighter, 2B for mid value and 6B for darker. For teddy bear, I will use Cerculism shading. For cloth and bow, I will shade normally. When you shade, roll the pencil in circular motion and complete full object with 2H pencil as a first layer. Now shade with mid value. Check the light direction before you shade. Suppose I am getting light from left side, then shade your object from right side. Keep one paper on top of your drawing so that it will prevent from smudging. Here I am using 2B pencil to create mid value. Now give depth using 6B pencil as a darker value. Once you completed all three values, take 2B pencil and give some texture. Thank you everyone. If you understood these techniques, then use these techniques and do practice. And as well, do subscribe and share this video. I will meet you next lesson with new topic.